As the official Lego Simpsons set is retired, I decided to create the Simpsons family characters myself. Watch as I build Bart, Lisa, Maggie, Marge and Homer using Lego bricks from my collection. Let's build! The biggest challenge was finding all the right bricks, especially with so much yellow and blue needed. Can you guess which Simpsons character I decided to build first? Well, this one is very easy, it's Bart. I hope I can find skateboard for him. Bart is finished and he looks awesome with his signature skateboard. I'm so happy how he turned out. Can you guess which Simpsons character I'm building next? Next is Lisa Simpson. Lisa looks very cute. I think I could build her a little saxophone. Can you guess who is up next? I think this one is very easy. And you are right, I'm building Marge. Marge is complete and her huge hair turned out amazing. That's where mostly all my blue bricks went. Who is up next? It is very easy. It's little Maggie. Aw, little Maggie looks so cute with a little dummy. Well, I guess it's time to build Homer. Homer, I need to build you a donut. Finished building entire Simpsons family. First up we have Homer with his love for donuts. Next is Marge with her massive blue hair that's so hard to miss. Then there is Bart with his iconic skateboard. Lisa looking super cute with her red dress and ready to rock the saxophone. And finally, little Maggie, who's always quiet but steals the show with little dummy. I hope you enjoyed this.